Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dominate the DTI runway with this fierce Queen of Hearts outfits inspo for the Halloween theme in Dress to Impress. So if you want to know how to layer the reds, blacks, and golds and find the perfect crown and accessory to embody Wonderland's most iconic villain, you can just watch this video. So first, let me show you the hair that I use for the look. So I'm using this tree from the Up to Hairs category. For this one, I'm using it with mobiles. And for the crown, I'm using this flower headpiece and change the color into gold. And here is the adjustments. Lower the scale to 29 and adjust the position Y into 57. Now, put on this top first from the women's section, this one. Change the second preview into gold, like this, and also the last one. Once you're done in here, you can put on some other accessory. First, I'm going to use this necklace in here. Toggle it into number 2 and change the color to gold and red. I'm going to wear this earrings and just leave the color as it is. Now go to the dressing room and I'm going to put on this the top from the witch set and change color into black, combined with this fishnet pattern for the second preview. And change the rest into black. Now I'm going to put on this sleeves from this strawberry dress, so the glitz into sleeves only. Change the first color into black and silk, and the second one red. Put on these sleeves also in black silk material. And you can put on this skirt. Change the first color into red and the second one black, and change all the material into silk. Put on the skirt from the witch set, make the color red. Now go to the code item tabs and put on this necklace. Change the color to gold. Put on this long dress in red. First one black and the second one red. And so this will be the final look for Queen of Hearts in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also click on. Bye.